Hi everyone, I hope you're listening to this. So today is, let me show you. Okay, today is 26th of November, and today we are going to show you something interesting that we have built earlier. We haven't showed to anybody else. It's like, so if you're from Bangladesh, right, you will always hear this complaint. Hey, we are not innovating, we are plagiarism, we are copying and everything bullshit by the Western media and others. Like, hey, Bangladesh is moving. And most of the time, you don't know what's going on underneath deep dive. Our people are actually the one who actually built those systems in outer worlds, and they actually forgot to give the credit to us, right? Anyway, for any Bangladeshi right now inside, we want to tell you, hey, don't feel insecure, don't be afraid to rock the boat, don't be afraid to tell what is wrong to them. They have been like taking credits from us, stealing from us, to be honest, if I might say. But when you go outside abroad and you live there for a while and like they act with you like you are the scammer, it has been really difficult for me to actually grasp this in this globalized, connected world. And I was so like disappointed actually. Like, hey, why would a human would do something to another human, like based on countries and nationalities, right? Anyway, so for Bangladesh, we want to show you an innovation framework that is being used in Silicon Valley and in other places, which we were never taught in our schools, universities, colleges. I mean, this is the right time to teach people with AI how to use and leverage AI and augment your thoughts, augment your mind, and create better quality products. I think we do have better quality products. What we are missing is the customer support most of the times, right? Anyway, let me show you. I will just show you one part of my AI prompts that I've been using to generate new ideas, test it out in the wild, and see. So these are some playbooks that has been used all over the world, right? The Scamper method, the trees, Ada, and edits, right? These are normally not taught, right? I think if you're from Bangladesh, if you're afraid of entrepreneurship or if you're afraid of going with your ideas, I would say go fail hard, fail faster, learn faster. See, don't let anybody limit yourself. And even if you're from 18 years old, even if you're less than 18, doesn't matter. Uh, your age doesn't matter. What matters is how are you going to feel. Okay, sorry. Uh, what matters is how do you feel about life, right? Like that's what matters. Like what you want to be recognized at, what you want. Anyway, we saw so much bullshit and shit in Europe and everything, and their crap stories about how okay they're innovative and things, but to be honest, nothing worked ever, right? They're full of papers and everything, and compared to that, Bangladesh has a bit less bureaucracy. But I think we can also actually streamline it better, right? We have much better, strong foothold of schools, college, university ecosystem. That is, and what next means is we just have to connect them together. Yeah, salary is a huge thing that why people don't want to work here, and then again, there is more things to learn. So first of all, let me show you one of my innovations. Okay, it's not really innovative; it's like innovative frameworks, right? Oh, okay, yep. So this is what we use right nowadays. Like what we use to like create, generate, and iterate on my new ideas that I've been seeing. For this is the Scamper method, okay, which is an idea generation checklist, right? So you find some ideas, you use this idea to see which one will work more, right? And you can with this framework you can actually create new ideas based on the things that you are seeing or experiencing. Of course, not everything could be experienced by you. It could be experienced by somebody else and speak to them, see what problems they're facing. Then there is this Aries method. It's got uh, so it's like a prompt you can use for the trees principles, right? It's a resolve. Means trees is mainly used in bottlenecks, right? If you have a huge bottleneck, leveraging this trees framework, you can actually unblock yourself faster. It's not. It's much more effective, right? Like in terms of very well you are stuck in somewhere. Then there is the Ada, which is like a design approach. It's like find something, you ideate on it, and then you decide, and then you act on it. After acting on it, you assess, hey, is this fruitful or like. So another thing is we must let go ourselves from this binary thinking, right? It's yes or no. We have to thinking gray, thinking possibilities, thinking probabilities. That's the way to move forward in life. Always have a venture mindset. Then this an Aries method is like more of a step-by-step algorithm, like for deep, high-stakes contradictions, right? You are in a very large, deep thing. For example, the flash flood might happen. We are having this earthquake right now. So if there is a flood, an earthquake, we might have a tsunami or something. Then in those cases, this kind of frameworks are being used, right? Yeah, why not we teach kids all about this frameworks from early childhood and like let them generate ideas like a child. Like what about imagination you have? The more imagination you have, the more better you can create stuff. Okay, of course. One another thing we never taught people, like most of the, I think 60 to 70% people don't never thought about how money, how value creation works, and where to put your value in, right? Instead of like putting like tons of efforts and you are not getting any value from it. So profit, monetization, and innovation and everything can work together if we are working together. If we teach the right people, right places, right things. Okay. Anyway, check this letter. I will be giving this in the comments. The all the frameworks that has been used. It's called, and don't forget to subscribe as in medium.com/ at the rate md.abir1203. And also we have a newsletter right now. We are also like working on this newsletter called AIX Digital Identity Systems. We are going to show you all the hidden underneath how identity is changing in digital world, right? Like it's very hard to decipher what is who is deepfake and who is not. You will see people like who says one thing and doing another thing, and then you meet those people out, and they're always doing like bullshit and shit things. Imagine that like they think like they are the know-it-all, and you don't like know-it-all people. Anyway, I hope we will meet each other in the next episode. Have a nice day.